There is no sound in space because there is no air for it to travel. Well, in a new release by NASA, we all have been proven wrong. Kind of. Recently, NASA has revealed the sound coming directly from a black hole. This black hole is located in the Perseus cluster, roughly 200 million light years away from Earth. It is one of the biggest objects we have discovered so far, containing thousands of galaxies. This cluster also contains gases that can get millions of degrees hot. NASA scientists have been observing Perseus for a very long time using Chandra X-ray Observatory. Astronomers observed that the pressure waves sent out by the black hole caused ripples in the cluster's hot gases. They studied those ripples and translated them into notes that can be heard by human ears. This is what a black hole actually sounds like.